Whispers of the Land Down Under. Deep in the southern hemisphere, there is a special place. It is a big island and a country, all in one. This place is called Australia. Most people in Australia live near the bright blue ocean. The middle of Australia, called the Outback, is very dry. It is a quiet place with red earth and big open skies. In the Outback, some parts have a little rain. This helps grass grow. Here, you can find big farms with fluffy sheep and friendly cows. Even though the Outback is dry, it has amazing sights. In the very middle of the land, a giant red rock sleeps under the sun. Its name is Uluru. Far away from the dry Outback, the northern coast is green and full of life. It rains a lot here. This makes a home for a big, beautiful rainforest. In the warm water off the coast, there is another wonder. It is the Great Barrier Reef. It is a city under the sea, built by tiny animals called coral. Australia was on its own for a very long time. Because of this, it has animals you can't find anywhere else. Many of them are called marsupials. Marsupials have a special secret. Their babies are born very small. The babies then live in a cozy pouch on their mother's belly until they are bigger. The most famous marsupial is the kangaroo. It hops on its strong back legs and uses its long tail to balance. They can hop very fast. Another famous marsupial is the koala. It looks like a little bear. Koalas love to live in eucalyptus trees and eat their leaves all day long.